APIs and JSON are pivotal in Python development. Python's JSON module simplifies parsing JSON responses, enabling seamless interaction with web services. Mastering these skills allows developers to efficiently consume APIs, build microservices, and integrate machine learning pipelines, transforming them into adept system architects. APIs are vital in modern software, acting as bridges between systems. JSON is the universal data exchange format, and Python's JSON module offers efficient tools for parsing and manipulating JSON. Mastering JSON handling is essential for consuming web services, building microservices, processing real-time data, and integrating machine learning pipelines, elevating developers to system architects. JSON, a text-based format, is lightweight and human-readable, derived from JavaScript, but language agnostic. It supports hierarchical structures with key-value pairs, arrays, and nested objects. As the universal standard for web APIs and data interchange, JSON's structure, like the example provided, maps seamlessly to Python dictionaries and lists, enhancing data manipulation.